So welcome to Inovaxe here at SMT Connect. I'm delighted to be joined by Ben Kushnud. Nice to see you again, Ben.
Good seeing you.
Okay, so we went into some detail about the racks and systems and carts that you have at Apex. But moving on from that, I want to talk about a couple of fairly key relations that you've got with other suppliers in this industry. The first of which is a company called Modi. Now Modi makes the original scanner for goods inward. Tell us a little bit about that and how that integrates with Inovaxe.
Yeah, Modi was one of the early player in the goods scanner. So basically it's a table that when you put the reel on it, it automatically detects all the different fields of the barcode label that it has on that reel, communicates with the customer's ERP, making sure that the right parts have been purchased and is received. So it's really in the incoming inspection and directly talks to our smart carts, and they can simply, they add a unique ID at that point and they can simply place it inside our cart.
Yeah.
So make the whole incoming inspection process really
seamless.
much more faster and seamless.
Yeah, that makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. The other relationship you've got is with this company behind us here. It's MP Dry Cabinets. Now, one of the big things, of course, with these humidity cabinets is that when you open the door, of course, it takes quite a while sometimes if you're searching around for the humidity to get back up to, or back down to the right level. But they've combined your smart system to reduce this. Tell us a little bit how that works.
Right. MP is a manufacturer of dry cabinets. They're based in Czech Republic. They do an outstanding job building dry cabinets. And one of the challenges with dry cabinets, as you mentioned, when you open the door, it's like a refrigerator. Moisture goes inside the whole area when the door opens. And as a result of that, it takes a long time to get the moisture below 5% after you close the door. What we did, we partnered with them and we put our technology, which is the smart trays that holds the SMT reels inside their cabinet. So as a result of that, when somebody is looking for a part, we light up a location. They can see right through the window, and it takes them a few seconds to open the door and grab the part and close the door. So as a result of that, you don't leave the door open that much, and within a couple of minutes, this dry cabinets can bring the moisture below 5% again.
Right.
So as a result, the customers get a lot more control over integrity of their parts related to the moisture.
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense, and it's a simple idea, but it makes a lot of sense. It just eliminates the reel that's to be taken, so it limits the amount of time he has to open that door and close it. And,
yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And we can, as you see, this has quite deep, has door on both sides. We can even put tube inside this. We can put PC board, waffle trays, and also we have version of this coming out that the customers can roll their whole feeder carts inside the unit as well.
Right.
And again, that would be also on an intelligent basis.
Right. Okay. And is there any sort of energy saving or cost saving for the operator using this?
So if you look at it, we can hold 647-inch 8mm reels inside this cabinet. So it really competes with the likes of the towers. From a cost standpoint, is much more cost effective. But also it controls the moisture much better than the towers do in an environment that we have.
In what way? I mean, it controls because they're compartmentalized.
Yes, they're compartmentalized, and also it's much faster too, because within a few seconds you can grab a part and go, and the whole process of opening and closing the doors is done much. For example, when it opens up, you can take 10 parts out simultaneously rather than 10 times the door open and closing.
Right, what I'm thinking about is in a typical storage tower, when that door opens, all of the air goes flowing into the whole tower.
Correct.
In this case, it's just flowing into the one
compartment. A smaller compartment.
Yeah, right. Okay, great. No, it's a super idea, and it's a couple of extra new features onto the Inovaxe stable, and I want to thank you for showing it to us today, Ben.
Thank you very much.
Electronics are part of our world. expanding by application to open up new opportunities for automotive, healthcare, and many other industries. But today's manufacturing techniques are not sustainable. They are energy hungry and inefficient, expensive, and have limited flexibility. The world is asking us to do better. Introducing Pulse Forge tools, a new approach to thermal processes like soldering and curing. Design with more flexibility, manufacture with fewer process steps, reduce energy use, and decarbonize the supply chain. Expand your creativity to new levels. Designers are asking for more. They need to reduce form factors, reduce weight to work on wearables and stretchables, opening new market opportunities for consumers across the world, asking us to do better. If you think sustainability and freedom of design are not possible in electronics manufacturing, think again. Think Pulse Forge.